Hey everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create an ocean breeze color grading in CapCut. So first, just add your ocean or beach videos and then go straight to filter. Click on the movies category and select the high saturation filter to around 86. Now go to adjust and use the setting. So for the contrast, lower it to -5, exposure 10, and adjust the sharpen into 30. Now click on the HSL and for the orange color, increase the lower the saturation into -25. Now on the yellow colors, lower the saturation to -100, and then the light blue color, set the saturation to 15. Now go back and click on the grabs and use this curve on the white color. Okay, after that you can just go back, go to highlight and increase it to 5, and for the shadow increase it to 25. If you want more blue, you can adjust the temperature by sliding like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.